Hello everyone. I hope you can enjoy the last winter days, because here in Switzerland it has now only snow in the mountains and the spring is coming soon. I had this week vacations and went to the country to my parents. It was a wonderful time. When I looked out the window, all I saw was nature and animals. I spent a lot of time outside. I enjoyed the peace and quiet of nature. It was often very cold, and only in the afternoons when the sun was shining did it get warmer. I liked to go for a walk with my friends, and they also enjoyed the trip. Of course, the week went by much too quickly, and I can hardly wait to finally move in here.